what's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl J Kales, and we are making some carrot juice, carrot juice, carrot juice. Alrighty, so I did peel these carrots already. I used my peeler, and I legit just, did like that. And I rinsed them off already. So I rinsed off my apples because I'm going to add apples to this carrot juice, as well as I have some frozen mango chunks that I'm going to add as well. So now what we're going to do is, now that these are already clean, I am going to cut them because carrots are what carrots are, pretty tough. So I, want to help out the juicer. Cut the little booties off as well. Don't forget to cut the booty off. All right. Perfect. So we'll go ahead and do the carrots first. Throw some babies up in there. Okay. There we go. And now we go ahead and shut it off. And I have my apples. Go ahead and cut those. I'm not going to cut the seeds because it's the juicer is going to split all that up. And I don't think it matters. You can always remove the seeds if you like. I'm not going to. I will take the stem out so you all don't kill me about the stem. Whatever seeds fall out, they fall out. But I'm definitely not going to stress about the seeds. Maybe I'll finally have an apple tree in my belly. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and do some apples. Okay. Look at that, buddy. Okay. Cut this baby off. See, we did have a few seeds come out. They weren't meant to be. So we're going to go ahead and take these off the cutting board. Alrighty, so this is my secret, everyone. I actually have some hot water here. So with my mango chunks, I'm going to sit them inside just so they can defrost a little. That's my secret, guys. Let's go ahead and break them up. And once it doesn't feel like an ice cube of mango, then we're going to go ahead and process it through. Okay. I don't drink much juice, but when I do want juice, I'd rather it be a natural juice than the store-bought juice with a bunch of added sugars and preservatives and all that other extra stuff, and this is also great for people that loves juice and wants to eat healthier but can't stop drinking juice because they have that craving. I would invest in a juicer, and I will start just making my own fruit juices. It only takes like 5 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. If you have to wake up a little earlier, then just wake up a little earlier if you want it in the mornings. But if it's just a snack throughout the day, it doesn't take long, so it was something I would definitely recommend you start doing and trying to do, because it tastes really good. And then you feel good about it because, you're not drinking all that sugar and you're being healthier. And that's always a great thing. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out. It just helps add a little sweetness. Let's move this. All right. And we're just going to top it off with a little mango juice to add some sweetness inside of this here. Let's go. There we go. Perfecto. Beautiful. Hold our top down. Look at all that goodness in there. Look at all that goodness. And go ahead and pour. Yes, baby. And I have to say, cheers. This is so good. Woo. So yeah, this is my carrot juice recipe. Please try it. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. I love it. I really, really do. And I love when I can have a drink that's healthy that I love. This your girl J. Kels signing on now. Cheers, cheers, salute. Carrot juice, apple juice, mango juice. Yeah.